new adventure. We are in Reno. We're coming out because Steve, my best friend for the longest time since like high school days, is moving here. So we decided.
Wait, what is that?
Apparently they have bears in the airport. So. Bearport. After dropping off our bags at our Airbnb, we decided to check out the Riverwalk.
Summertime?
Yeah, summertime.
People are just chilling right here with kayaks and just walking.
You can just walk right into the river.
Yeah.
So one thing you can do here is you can walk right into a river with a kayak. So if you work in an office job, you can be like, oh, this is my lunch kayak. And I go down and I have lunch, right? After exploring the Riverwalk a little more, we decided to check out the Eddy. Okay, so this is the Eddy. It's like an outdoor little area where they got like bocce ball. We're gonna play some bocce ball, and it's got drinks. There's a few different bars and some food and stuff. A taco truck. See, just pulled in a minute ago. So we're gonna get some tacos. It's gonna be super tasty, and I'll show you all around this little place. It's pretty cool though. We hung out at the Eddy for a while, and then we made our way towards the Playa Art Park. This is the National Automobile Museum. It's insanely big. Walking around the cars, you really get a feeling of inspiration. A feeling that if you really want something and you're willing to pour everything you have into it, you can achieve it. We found Reno to be a fun place. A place our friends will soon call home, and a place we will most definitely be coming back to.
Awesome. Okay, alright. Yeah, dude, make sure you get your...
So this happened.
Awesome.